Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday Directions video. Today we are looking at the Federalist Papers. Basically, the whole week we've been looking at the Constitutional Convention and obviously the two groups that get created out of that. Federalists who want to ratify the Constitution, who want to accept it. And then you get the Anti-Federalists, people who basically they just don't want to ratify it. They didn't want to accept the Constitution. They thought that it would make the central or federal government too strong. So they had a bunch of questions and concerns. And one of the ways that the Federalists help ease not only the anti-Federalist concerns, but also anybody who was on the fence in the general public, is they released a series of essays, very similar to Thomas Paine's Common Sense or his American Crises. What we get here is the Federalist Papers, where they're just going to lay out why we should ratify the Constitution. So we have the actual article here, so once you click on it, you'll be able to kind of just read through. It gives you a good little example, or not example, but introduction on what it is, but we should know this part already. And then as we go down, it'll give us more, we'll call it in-depth detail here. So, and again, there's a series of them, so it's going to kind of go through some of the more famous ones. So you have Federalist Papers number 1, it goes through who the authors are, and then just basically gives you the wrap-up. So it's short, it's simple, it's quick. It's kind of a cherry on top on this issue. It's not the main part. It plays a role in people eventually ratifying the Constitution, and it's something that's it would be a hot topic during the time. Hey, did you see the new Federalist Papers came out? Hey, did you get the new essay on the street corner? So we're going to kind of look at this then. And then you have the CRT part. Here's 3 questions that you're going to answer as well. So we have 3 questions. What was the purpose of the Federalist Papers? Was that purpose achieved? So there should be a multi-sentence answer. Should be the purpose of the Federalist Papers was this, and yes, it did achieve, or no, it did not achieve. So a 2-part question there. So you should have a compound sentence or 2 sentences. Question 2 is, why do you think the Federalist was published anonymously? I'm going to add this too because that seems a little bit. I think Federalist Papers were published anonymously. Why wouldn't the authors want to reveal themselves? And then 2, which of the essays in the Federalists do you think was the most important and why? So which of the Federalist Papers do you think was most important? Was it number 84? Was it 39, 51? Number 10? Was it number 1? You can go off script. You can look at other ones if you want. But I would just normally just choose one of the ones bolded here. But all right, guys, that's all I got. Have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know.